Hi guys, back on this New Holland skid steer. Told you I had a hydraulic leak and got the hoses ripped out of the arm here for the hydraulic locking pins up in the front. And I found the hose that's got a hole in it. This one here. Yeah, right here. The wires are split open. And what caused it? Kind of a piss poor design for New Holland again. But if you look up there, you can see where the hose goes up into that hole there. Well, when you raise and lower the booms constantly, it must rub just enough. Like you can see, where is? Go up a little bit higher, right there. As you can see, that one there had rubbed the rubber off the hose, but hasn't done anything to the wires. So I think I'm gonna just wrap that one up, and should be all right for now, at least. Put that back up in there, keep the oil from draining out of it. So yeah, that's the problem. Now I priced one out through New Holland. This simple hose here, probably, I don't know, 5 feet long, that type of end. You wanted $80 freaking for it, which I think is ridiculous, but I'm gonna see if I can just have one made. Ain't nothing fancy about it anyways. It's just a hose with 2 male ends on it, tapered fit. So if I can find them cheaper, I might just replace both of them, but we'll see. Yeah. But yeah, that's the issue. Once again, another hydraulic leak. And then I got one other issue I gotta address, and that is I got a sensor. It's got a code that's been evenly, gradually coming on. It's code 3000, and from what I understand, it's air intake. Not getting enough air, so I'm going to replace the air filter in it, the primary and secondary. They don't look bad, but I haven't replaced them yet since I've bought this machine. They never looked like they needed to be cleaned. I mean, they get blown out quite a bit, but I'm going to replace those and see if that clears that up or not. If that don't clear it up, then I'll have to dig in a little farther, but just start coming on. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, see where that gets us, and then I think once I get that all situated, I'm actually gonna buy some New Holland yellow and just repaint the ass end of this skid steer, mainly just down here. I take all this dirt and that off just to keep it from rusting. You know, you rub into things every once in a while and you rub the paint off. And then probably do the quick attach on it, a couple spots, just to keep it looking nice, so when I do decide to get rid of the damn thing, it looks good. But yeah, that's what I got. So I guess this would be just a quick small video, but that's what I'm at right now. So now I gotta go out and look for some hoses, put back on here, and I just changed oil on it here probably not even 5 hours ago. So I'll probably grease her all up for the winter and give her a once over, make sure everything else. I might flip the cab up on it and look underneath again just to make sure everything is tight, ain't leaking or anything down there. The only other thing I gotta fix, and it kind of pisses me off, is I had a mouse in here, I guess, And as you can see in my seat, there is a hole there. Now there was a hole there when I bought it, but it wasn't that big. And I was just going to sew it back up. Well, I never got to it, and just the other day, well, a couple days ago actually, I came in and I noticed this hole in my seat, and the mice crap that's on my seat, and when you look behind the seat, all the foam from my seat. Oh, I didn't take all the foam out, but so it really pissed me off. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna fix that hole, because I do not want it to get any bigger, because I can imagine how much this seat is. But I got a mouse trap there, and I got this one here that I took out because I had to jump in the seat. But I got that there, and so far I haven't caught anything in it, so kind of disturbed, pissing me off. But so I guess yeah, I got that. I'm gonna tackle you too if you guys got an idea. I don't know if I can sew that shut, because I think the mice have eaten a little bit around it, so I might have to put a patch in it. Not what I want to do, but I'm not really don't want to spend. I bet you at least I bet you at least $1,000 at least for a seat. Maybe, I don't know. I know they're not cheap. But yeah, so that's what I got. That's where it's gonna sit for now until I get the hoses, and then once I get the hoses, I will get another video made. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. And for some new equipment that I bought, I actually got some stuff here already, but I probably will do a video on one right now, and then we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, guys.